Hi and welcome to Dust. Today we'll be talking about spaces inside of Dust. Basically, Dust is all about building AI assistants on top of your own data. But how do you manage that data? Well, you've got two different things to understand. The first thing is the data that you will connect to Dust. This is made through the Connection Admin tab and is actually about allowing Dust to synchronize your data on the platform. So for that part and each connection you create, we recommend using the account with the most permissions possible because you'll need to connect your data and then right after you will segregate it in different spaces. So once your data is connected, you can add subsets of it to specific spaces. You've got two different types of spaces, open spaces and restricted spaces. So here in my Connection Admin, I can see that I connected Confluence, GitHub, Google Drive, Intercom, etc, etc. But I also created a restricted space called Rocket Science Project. This is going to contain specific data for that project that I only want specific members to be able to use. So in this space, I can add data from the connections we just talked about, folders, websites, or Dust apps. If I open connected data, I see that I already have Confluence and Google Drive synced. If I want to add more data or remove some access, I just click on that Add Data from Connections button. I can see that this space only has access to a subset of my Confluence connection, a subset of my Google Drive, and let's say that I also want to add a Slack channel to it. I'm just going to tick it, save, and now the members of my Rocket Science space can start building assistants using that SLAT data as well. To add members to your space, it's fairly easy. Just click on Space Settings and Add Members. That's where you give access to the data you just added to your space. That's it. I hope you understood the full concept of spaces on Dust. And don't hesitate to browse the documentation if you need any help. See you around.